You're watching FYI. You just heard Dr. Eric Fiegelden break down the importance of ventilation and how you can better ventilate your closed spaces and how it actually prevents the spread of COVID. To talk more about this, we have Ravi Kaushik. He works with antimicrobial air purification technology. We also have Dr. Vivek Nangia, Principal Director and Head of Respiratory Critical Care at Max Saket in New Delhi. Thanks so much for joining us. I want to ask you first, Dr. Nangia, given the fact that so many people are now back to work in closed spaces, kids are back to school, what do you make of this entire analysis that ventilation is as important as wearing a mask and maintaining social distancing?
Absolutely, Rishika. I fully agree with you. Ventilation is very, very important because ultimately it's a disease which is spreading by aerosol generation. So if whatever the aerosol has been generated is not cleared from the environment around you, then obviously there's a high probability that you would be inhaling the aerosol and then landing up with the infection. Luckily for us, in schools in India, they're not like centrally air conditioned as they are abroad. Most of the schools have the regular fans, windows and doors, and the doors and windows are quite often open only. So that kind of a ventilation is adequate to take care of the virus, especially if there is a fan blowing also.
Yes.
That would usually take care of the circulation of the air and be able to exhaust out all the air if we have enough exhaust fans.
Yes.
In case the rooms are closed or, completely covered.
Okay. Let me bring in Ravi Kaushik into the conversation because you work with very interesting antimicrobial air purifying technology. Now, for the benefit of our viewers, explain to us what is it that you do, and can this technology that's being used in air purifiers, HEPA filters for instance, can they actually prevent or reduce the spread of COVID-19 in closed spaces?
Yeah, thank you. So we have been working on DCD mechanism, that is deactivate, capture, deactivate. How HEPA filters work, they use a capture mechanism. Yes, they can capture it, but they cannot deactivate the pathogens. They are still there and they can again get into the air, resuspension, which is what it is called, and can again become a source of disease transmission. So that's what we have been working on at Department of Chemical Engineering at IIT Bombay and supported by IIT Kanpur SIIC. So this is really important to understand.
No, this is very important. And Ravi Kaushik also explained to us, because we had Dr. Eric Fiegelden on the show earlier and he was talking about, using HEPA filters or using high flow air purifiers as a source of better ventilation, which can actually reduce, not completely remove, but at least reduce the risk of COVID-19 in closed spaces.
Exactly. So the problem that we definitely need to understand in Indian context, that we don't only have airborne disease transmission, but air pollution. Just imagine this room, when it is filled with people, the chances of airborne disease transmission is much higher. Let's say if I open the windows to safeguard myself from disease transmission, I'm exposing myself to the problem of air pollution, and which will create a long-term adverse health effect.
Right. When we talk about COVID-19 being airborne and this entire 6 feet, physical distancing, that's the norm. Dr. Nangia, explain to our viewers what happens, say, in office spaces or even in schools when people remove their mask to eat, for instance. Because what one has understood is that the 6 feet of physical distancing only works if you're actually wearing a mask at all times.
Actually, you're right, Rishika, that physical distancing as well as wearing masks, both are very, very important. But at the same time, we have to understand that whatever protection is being offered, whether with the mask or with distancing, we must go in for that. There is no way that we should be ignoring it completely.
Right.
Whether you feel that only, you have to wear the mask as well as the 6 feet distance, only then you would be secured. That is not correct. You're still secured if you're wearing the mask and not so, the distance is not maintained.
Right.
You're close to some other individual. Whatever little protection happens, but we have to maintain the principles. We have to carry on with the two principles of wearing a mask as well as maintaining that physical distance at all times.
Okay, so masks, so physical distancing and of course ventilation. Ravi Kaushik, I want to give you the last word because many viewers have actually asked us questions on, what happens now, given the fact that there is evidence that COVID-19 can be transmitted via aerosol. So it is, there is evidence that it's airborne. And now we are heading for summer, wherein again there'll be closed spaces with air conditioners. Do air purifiers work? And if so, which air purifiers will be effective?
Definitely air purifiers work. It is mostly dependent on the CADR, that is clean air delivery rate.
Yes.
But that's what we are working on, how we can deactivate the pathogens which are being only trapped by HEPA filters. So that is what we are working towards with IIT Kanpur and IIT Bombay, and soon we will be deploying it. We are currently in touch with various government bodies to actually deploy it and do a pilot testing. We have validated the technology at CSIR NPL and an NABL E-Grid lab.
All right. Well, we really hope that you do make some technological breakthrough that can actually, help at least reduce the spread of COVID-19. Dr. Nangia and Ravi Kaushik, thanks so much for sparing your time. Really, the bottom line of today's FYI is to highlight the importance of course, wearing your mask, sanitizing your hands and maintaining physical distancing, but in order to also ensure that ventilation is key. Without ventilation, some of these measures may actually fall short. So it's important to either keep your windows open or ascribe to one of the technological solutions that we've presented to you on FYI today. Thanks for watching.